My Mother by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Avul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam was an Indian aerospace scientist and politician who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. He was born and raised in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu, popularly known as the Missile Man of India. Besides being a scientist and a humanist, he was an excellent writer. Wings of Fire and Ignited Minds are two of his very popular books. The poem My Mother has been taken from Wings of Fire. It is a tribute to poet's mother, who was a source of inspiration for him. Sea waves, golden sand, pilgrim's faith, Rameswaram Mosque Street all merge into one, My Mother. Sea waves, golden sand, pilgrim's faith. Pilgrim is a person who goes to a holy place for religious purpose. Rameswaram Mosque Street was the place where Dr. Kalam lived in Tamil Nadu. All merge, combine into one, that is the poet's mother. All these remind the poet of his mother. His mother's image flashes in his mind when he thinks of sea waves, golden sand, pilgrim's faith, and Rameswaram Mosque Street. You come to me like heaven's caring arms. The poet says that his mother comes to him like heaven's caring arms. The affection that mother provides to her child is like living in heaven. Also, this is an example of simile. I remember the war days when life was challenge and toil. I, that is the poet, Dr. Kalam, remembers the war days. War days here refers to World War II that broke in 1939. Life at that time was full of problems, hardships, and challenges, and it required a lot of toil to live day to day life. Toil, that is hard work. Miles to walk, hours before sunrise. Even when the sun would rise in the morning, the poet had to walk miles and miles before that. He had to walk in order to take lessons from the saintly teacher near the temple. Walking to take lessons from the saintly teacher near the temple. Again, miles to the Arab teaching school. After taking lessons from the saintly teacher near the temple, he used to walk miles and miles to the Arab teaching school. Climb sandy hills to railway station road. From climbing sandy hills to crossing the railway station road, he had to keep on walking, walking, and walking. Apart from studying, the poet also used to do a little business to earn money. Dr. Kalam belonged to a poor family, so he had to work for livelihood. Collect, distribute newspapers to Temple City citizens. He used to collect and distribute newspapers to the Temple City citizens in order to earn money. Few hours after sunrise, going to school, and after sunrise, distributing, collecting newspaper, and then he used to go to school. Evening business time before study at night. In the evening again, he used to do some odd job in order to earn money, and only at night he got time for studying. All this pain of a young boy, all these challenges and hardships of a young boy, the young Dr. Kalam, my mother, you transformed into pious strength. So for the poet, all these challenges, all this pain of doing so much was transformed into strength, and that too pious strength, religious or sacred strength by poet's mother. Poet's mother was a very religious person. She imbibed the same in her children. With kneeling and bowing 5 times, this is the Islamic way of praying. For the grace of the Almighty only, my mother. For the grace of the Almighty, Almighty God, the poet says that his mother really believed in the strength of prayers. She not only prayed 5 times in a day, she imbibed the same values in her children. She imbibed the value of prayers in her children and how God gives strength to all of us. Your strong piety is your children's strength. Piety being religious. Being religious became poet's mother's strength. She gave the same strength to her children. And that is how the poet and his family got the inspiration or the motivation to face all kinds of challenges that came their way. And not just that, they did everything possible to survive, especially during the wartime. You always shared your best with whoever needed the most. The poet remembers his mother as somebody who always gave to others. She shared with others, that too to the best of her ability. She helped everybody who needed it. You always gave and gave with faith in him. The poet says that his mother was a very giving person, but one thing that she always remembered was to give, but give with faith in him. Him here refers to Almighty or God. Poet's mother was a very religious person. I still remember the day when I was 10. Poet remembers the day from his childhood when he was 10 years old, sleeping on your lap to the envy of my elder brothers and sisters. Dr. Kalam was the youngest among all his siblings. Hence, mother pampered him a lot more than his siblings. For the poet also, mother was somebody whom he looked up to. He was very attached to his mother. So one day, he was sleeping on his mother's lap to the envy, that is, jealousy of his elder brothers and sisters, who also thought that mother pampered the poet more. It was full moon night, my world you knew. For the poet, his mother knew his entire world. Mother, my mother. Poet really looked up to his mother. The poet's world revolved entirely around his mother. When at midnight I woke with tears falling on my knee, you knew the pain of your child, my mother. The poet remembers an incident from his childhood when he woke up in the middle of the night. He was crying because he fell on his knee and it was really paining a lot. His mother embraced him, pampered him, showed him lot of affection, and this is how the mother knew the pain of her child. The poet says it was because of mother's affection that he just forgot about his pain. Your caring hands tenderly removing the pain. The poet says mother's caring hands tenderly, that is softly, removed his pain, and he felt much better. Your love, your care, your faith gave me strength. The poet got strength from mother's love, care, and faith. And with this strength, he became so successful in life to face the world without fear and with his strength. The poet learned from the mother to face the world without fear, to face any kind of hardship or challenges with a lot of strength, and also keeping faith in him that is Almighty or God. We will meet again on the Great Judgment Day, my mother. Great Judgment Day in Islam is the assessment of afterlife by God. The poet hopes that one day on the Great Judgment Day, the poet will reunite with his mother, who made him what he became in life. Dr. Kalam's poem, My Mother, is actually a very touching tribute to his mother. In Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's words, my mother who lived 93 years, a woman of love, a woman of kindness, and above all, a woman of divine nature. My mother performed namaz 5 times every day. During namaz, my mother always looked angelic. Every time I saw her during namaz, I was inspired and moved. Indeed, there is no replacement for mothers in this world. Hope you enjoyed this heart touching poem, My Mother. Thank you.